Okay, first fail. I put too much heat in. Now let's try it again. Fail and learn. Hey, what's up bros? Today we install my bash bar for the 350Z. I will mainly use the bash bar to check up the car. Here's a checking point to lift the car up from behind. But I also want to attach some holders to stabilize my Nismo bumper. For that I've made some end plates with threads in it, which I will weld on the rear bash bar. And here I can attach some kind of holder to stabilize the Nismo rear bumper. Because I don't have the original Nismo brackets to stabilize the rear bumper, and it's a little bit loose and flappy here when you drive, so I will make my own holders, and I think the rear bash bar fits perfectly to attach the holders to it. So here you can see the end plates where I attach the holder, and then it goes down there to here. It's almost a straight line. Before I will weld on the end plates, I will do some test welds, because it's been quite a bit since the last time I've made some weldings, probably 10 years or something. I need a little bit of training, so let's make some test welds. Alright, let's go. Okay, not the best, but it should work for these end plates. Okay, first fail. I put too much heat in and the plate warped in this direction. So I tried to hammer it straight, but then the welding point broke. So I sanded it down again, and now let's try it again. Fail and learn. Let's try it again. applied it 4 times on each side. So now I clean it up and put some paint on it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, first layer of paint is done. I will let it dry for 50 minutes and then I will do the second layer. That was the second layer. I think I will do 1 or 2 other layers and then it should be done. Okay, let's check how the bash bar will fit.